The infrastructure safety instruments, or ISSI for short, were developed by Via Sicura, a road safety program of the Swiss Confederation, with 13 measures implemented today. The ISSI are part of these measures. ISSI was created for the road owner to fulfill the legal mandate of the Confederation. Traffic safety is also a matter of infrastructure. With a good infrastructure, we can avoid traffic accidents or make them less severe. The infrastructure safety instruments of Via Sicura help us to do this. Every 10 minutes an accident occurs in the Swiss road traffic network. Every 24 minutes a person is injured or even dies. This brings a great amount of human suffering, but also high material costs, namely over 4 billion Swiss francs. Parliament and the Federal Council have acknowledged the need for action since 2012 and decided in the Article 6A of the Road Traffic Law as an element of the Via Sicura program that road owners must specifically identify safety deficits, but must also remedy them. For this purpose, an enforcement aid, the so-called ISSI instruments, were developed to help practitioners tackle the problem in a targeted and sustainable manner. The federal government and the cantons are legally obliged to designate a contact person responsible for road safety, the safety officer. This person is responsible for fulfilling this legal mandate. The Canton of Zurich gives training to their product managers and the engineers from the Council for Accident Prevention BFU as auditors and inspectors. These should be able to correctly understand the procedure and the method to apply it in their daily work. The tasks of the safety officer are the coordination of road safety, the implementation, supervision and coordination of the ISSI, and the advice of internal and external authorities. An important area of work is also the evaluation of the results of the ISSI and the monitoring of the effectiveness of the measures resulting from them. If a structural measure has been implemented, then after 3 years a cost-benefit analysis is carried out to determine whether the number of accidents and the costs of accidents have been reduced. Every road has a life cycle of about 50 years. In the case of a new construction or reconstruction of a road, the planning and design come first. Then the realization takes place. Then comes the operation and maintenance. Once the life cycle of a road has been reached, the planning phase begins again and closes the cycle. With ISSI, you have 6 instruments to implement such a cycle. In the Road Safety Impact Assessment, RIA, the aim is to determine the safest project variant during the planning phase. In the Road Safety Audit RSA phase, the road project is then designed to be safe. The Road Safety Inspection RSI checks existing roads for possible danger spots, which could lead to accidents. The instrument Black Spot Management, BSM, is used to search for accident black spots based on traffic accident statistics. With the Network Safety Management, NSM, we assess the traffic safety in the road network and mark the points with the greatest potential for improving traffic safety. The Individual Accident Site Management, EUM, is the procedure for reviewing a particular single incident related to road infrastructure. A single accident may indicate that the infrastructure is not good enough and has a deficit for the entire transport system. The use of the 6 instruments enables us to continuously optimize road safety. For smooth operation and safe use of the traffic infrastructure, regular checks by the Road Inspectorate are required. Based on the assessment, measures for the maintenance of value are planned and implemented. In this way, we link infrastructure management with infrastructure safety instruments. In this way, we exploit the full potential for increasing road safety. We are the owners of the cantonal roads, and therefore it is our duty as owners to ensure that this infrastructure is safe and that all road users can travel safely and without accidents.